it is in our understanding and the understanding of our Viacom 18 Motion Pictures team that Motu Patlu are now ready to come onto the big screen. So I think, after having donned the small screen, become the favorite character, and it is our highest rated program. Arguably, it is the highest rated program on kids television. By the way, it is also the most watched episodes or the series, Motu Patlu series, on our digital space as well. So a fourth of kids' digital viewing on Voot is actually Motu Patlu. So roughly a fourth. So you can see the popularity. So basically being very popular on television to now becoming really popular on digital. We've also done, the team has done 10 made-for-TV movies. Basically, each of the 10 movies have rated really well and, has been a blockbuster whenever it's got released on television. And this is now the big avatar. We've also done a lot with this point of view. It's important that we build ecosystem around, our key characters and around our key programs. And I think this is a classic example of how our Viacom 18 Motion Pictures team is taking forward something which has been built by our Nickelodeon team, of course, in collaboration.
Thank you. Good morning to everyone here. It's a very exciting moment for us at Viacom 18 Motion Pictures. Why do I say so? Because every time when we look back at that AV and when we look at how we end that AV, it ends in a line called redefining Indian cinema. So whenever I'm at a trailer launch or trying to announce my next film or next idea, it's a moment when we ask ourselves, what are we really redefining? Because there are times when you may not be really redefining on that particular film. But today I'm very confident that what we are doing is new and unique. It's really breaking a new ground. We are going where usually cinema doesn't go, and when I say that, in India cinema doesn't go. Of course, globally it's very big there. And that's in animation, But I really don't see it as an animation film. I don't think we are here to sort of say that we are laying the foundation of animation film industry in India. No. To me, this is really the journey, the rightful journey of a producer giving a break to two people who have earned it. And these two gentlemen are Motu and Patlu, I think they have earned their spurs more than enough in that small little box, and it's time for them to welcome them. It's time for us to welcome them on the big screen. And that's what really it is about. It's about bringing these two characters from their journey, which has been on the other, media, to the big screen. Because given the amount of love and affection we have seen of these characters, I'm sure the consumers, the kids, in fact, their families are going to actually enjoy this experience 70mm. After all, we have a character called Motu there. And this whole experience has been about, partnerships of various kind. I have my good friend Ketan here, who's been at the heart of many of our successes. You saw the Maji, featuring very proudly there. And my other partner in crime here, who's responsible for bringing Motu Patlu to where they are today from that little comic book we all read in our, younger days. So let me welcome Nina, my partner in...
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to step back 4 years. It was in October 2012 that we actually launched Motu Patlu. We took them right out of Mr. P.K. Bajaj's Lotpot, and thanks to Maya and Ketan, we actually put them onto the audiovisual medium. We did that with a whole lot of risk, with a whole lot of anxiety, hoping that kids in India actually come around to look at a character that has been so old but yet so contemporized, and work with, walk with them, have fun in Furfuri Nagar, eat samosas. And from there to now, that journey has been absolutely fantastic. We've taken risks, we've innovated, we've got the kids so happy that the show has become a #1. And like Sudhanshu said, we didn't stop there. We created digital assets, we've got video games, we've got merchandising, school bags, water bottles, we've got product licensing with McVitie's, we've got Pratap Snacks, and we've got a whole lot of ecosystem, including Voot Kids now. But today I'm going to leave and shed my business head role and say that I'm a proud parent, a parent who gave birth about 4 years ago, and today I'm seeing my kids graduating. So I'm a very anxious parent as well, because there's full amount of anxiety, because when kids move from school to college, which actually happened in my real life as well. But having said that, these kids are now going to go from TVdom to stardom. And I want to wish the entire team all the very best. And a very, very heartfelt thank you to Viacom Motion Pictures, to Maya, to Lotport, and Team Viacom 18 to make this happen. I just hope that the kids embrace these characters that we so love. And we hope to hell that the cinema houses are full with them and their laughter. So looking forward to a fantastic opening. With that, I want to call the man behind the scene, Ketan. I'm sure you'd like to.
Thank you very much. A couple of years ago, I was traveling through this country promoting a film called Manjhi, The Mountain Man. And one of the happiest moments of my life occurred when a family came up to me with two small kids. Yahi wo uncle hai. So kids were very baffled कि क्या हुआ भाई? And said कि बच्चे जो हैं वो खाना नहीं खाते हैं जब तक मोटू पतलू नहीं देखते. And now you can't have a better compliment than that. So the entire team of Maya and Lotport, and of course Viacom 18, for making this such a wonderful experience of our lives. Animation is still in its infancy in this country. And therefore, I believe that this is really a landmark, which we will remember for a long time. India has been providing services to international animation studios and VFX studios for a long time now, about 10, 15 years. That's how Maya started about 20 years ago. Bacha bada ho gaya hai. Now, there's a full-length feature film in 3D stereoscopic images which you are going to see. The entire country is going to see. I hope the love and affection that the children have for these characters will express itself in the theaters as well. Maya was started about 20 years ago, primarily out of a creative crisis of a filmmaker. At that point of time, in early 90s, we were still working with Second World War technologies, you know. And we were doing a film, me and Deepa, my life partner, were doing a film called Maya Mem Sab. And there was a magical, lovely, climactic shot in that film about Maya drinking a magic potion and disappearing in a flame of light. So easy to write in the script, but when we started doing it with our outdated technologies, we realized that we were just not happy with the results at all. I shot that sequence at least 10 times, and I was still not happy by the time the film was released. And that's when we, both of us, Deepa and me, decided that India being the largest film producing country in the world, we couldn't do a shot that we wanted to do. Now that's a shame, and that we have to do something about it. Luckily, fortunately for us, the digital revolution was just beginning. And we decided to take a leap of faith and jumped into Maya. Maya means an enchanting illusion, which is now finally coming up to be a reality. So that's how Maya started, out of the creative frustration of a desperate filmmaker. And fortunately for us, it has grown to be one of the largest animation studios in this country, producing the largest amount of original animation content in this country. We must be having some kind of a record in terms of amount of output that we are doing with the number of people we have. So yes, Maya, I'm so happy. After 20 years, Maya has grown up. Indian animation is growing up. And I hope this will be one of those moments that we will remember. But apart from me and Maya, I would like to introduce the foursome who I think are the reason behind the success of this Maya from our side. Of course, I mean, great partners of Viacom. First, I will introduce the three, what I call the three musketeers of Motu Patlu. So, Suhas, come, get up, face the audience, take a bow. The director of the film, from the scratch, from the comic books, bringing the characters alive, turning them into popular characters all across India, has not been a mean feat at all. And the success is really all due to their hard work. The second one I call the genius is and breaking barriers, reaching out to new territories and new frontiers. And last, and not the least at all, Anish Mehta. This does not mean that I'm not taking the names of the others who are sitting behind there, but all of them, and a team of more than 200 people who has been behind the success of Motu Patlu so far. And how can I really not name the originators of the idea? Mayapuri, Lootport Comics, Mr. Bajaj, आप भी आ जाइए ना सर, शर्माने की कोई बात नहीं. They created these characters in their comics 47 years of a tradition. I'm sure 3 generations of people have grown up on Motu Patlu. So I hope, my real hope is that the grandfather, father, and their children all come and see this film, because I'm sure it will cross all those age barriers over time. So, welcome to the world of Motu Patlu.
Sorry. This picture is going to be very incomplete without Anusika.
So much about these entertaining tunes. I think it's only fitting that we invite them here. So let's bring on stage the superstars, Motu Patlu, the awesome twosome, with another superstar, Mr. Sushant Singh Rajput, Urf MS Dhoni.
Good morning guys, thank you so much for having me here. सबसे पहले मैं ये बोलना चाहूँगा कि मैं तुम दोनों का बहुत बड़ा फ़ैन हूँ. मतलब मोटू पतलू बचपन में भी बैक इन द डे आई रिमेंबर रीडिंग लोटपोर्ट कॉमिक्स. बहुत मुझे पिटाई पड़ती थी, लेकिन फिर भी मैं रोज़ पढ़ता था उसको. एंड इट्स अमेजिंग यार. और तुम लोग का डेब्यू होने वाला है फिल्म्स में, तो ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर दैट. आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे? बोलते हैं.
हाय दोस्तों, आप लोगों ने अपना कीमती वक्त निकाल के यहाँ पर आए हैं. थैंक यू वेरी मच. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
हाँ मोटू, आज हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ा दिन है, बहुत बड़ा. हमारा फिल्मी डेब्यू है.
आपने हमें स्मॉल स्क्रीन पे सुपरस्टार बनाया, सुपर डुपर स्टार. अब बिग स्क्रीन पे भी आप हमारा साथ जरूर दे देना. और सबसे बड़ी खुशी की बात यह है कि आज हमारे साथ हमें गुड लक विश करने के लिए क्रिकेट के सबसे बड़े सुपरस्टार MS धोनी, महेंद्र सिंह धोनी उर्फ आपके सामने सुशांत सिंह राजपूत भैया हाजिर हो गए हैं.
वाह मोटू वाह वाह, सही बोला सही बोला। और हमारे छोटे छोटे बच्चों को जो जो चीजें पसंद है वो सब कुछ एक साथ एक स्टेज पे, क्रिकेट, फिल्म्स और हम 2 टून्स। वाह वाह।
तो भाइयों, बड़े भाइयों, हमारी इच्छा है, हमारा विश है कि सुशांत बड़े भैया हमारे सुपरस्टार, हमारे सुपरहिट पार्टनरशिप के बारे में कुछ बात करे, कुछ बताए। तो जय हो बड़े भैया।
क्या बात है। Everybody knows MS Dhoni is very very immensely popular, especially with the kids. और जिस तरीके से आप दोनों पॉपुलर हैं, तो ये जो आप लोग के साथ ये एसोसिएशन है, ये काफ़ी अच्छा है कि हम ये एक सिम्बायोटिक रिलेशनशिप हो जाता है। मैं आपका ट्रेलर प्रमोट करता हूँ, आप मेरी फिल्म प्रमोट करिए।
ज़रूर ज़रूर, थैंक यू थैंक यू।
So can we see the trailer now? Guys, you can put on your glasses, please.
तो शुरू किया जाए बड़े भैया।
चलो मोटू बैठते हैं।
Skills, get them back. The superstars, the awesome twosome Motu Patlu. And while they are joining us, we'd also like to request our superstar Sushant Singh Rajput, Urf MS Dhoni. Let's welcome all of them, please.
We have seen Hollywood films, animated Hollywood films, doing good business in India, but very few Bollywood films, like animated films, have done good business over here. So, what, according to you, is the reason for the same? We have seen Jungle Book, which was semi-animated, and there was Kung Fu Panda, which have done good business in India. So,
should I take it? Yeah, I think if I was to sort of attempt and try and address this, or my hypothesis for this, would be a couple of things. I think one is that the quality of animation which you now saw in this one, you just saw the trailer. Now it's like comparable to the world, right? So that's one of the key things which you need to do, and I think that's, so we have got there, and well done. Again, the Maya team, well done guys. I think, it was superb. The other thing which is there is also that, the character which needs to be popular. So that is the character popular, it shouldn't come out of the blue. I think some of the earlier attempts which have been made, I don't like to use it, but I think they've been disjointed, if I could say so. I think, therefore, here you have two characters which are hugely popular, with the children at least, and we've seen it in both television and digital ecosystem now. So I think, therefore, the ability to pull children and through children, the families, into this is better. So I think this is what these two are, in my assessment, very fundamental differences, and let's see how we go forward with this.
I'll just add to that, Sudhanshu. I think there are three fundamental things that actually are the secrets to the kids' hearts. To me, I think we have all three here very much present. One is, of course, the character itself and how endearing they are and how kids love them, which is a thumbs up. The second most important is how you tell the story, the storytelling, and therefore the script, and how you actually tell the story makes all the difference. And third, of course, like Sudhanshu said, the quality of outstanding animation. All three of them are a thumbs up on this one, and to me, therefore, I think we've put all the bets out on this one to make it a super success.
And the ability of a distribution house to really take that risk, in spite of the fact that Indian animation hasn't succeeded before this, to believe in the product and put it out on this kind of a scale. So I think this will be a turning point.
I think your question was also why Hollywood animation has been successful in India. I think apart from all the factors that have been pointed out, one thing which stands out for Hollywood animation is it does not only address kids, okay? It actually addresses the grown-up. So all of us have loved Ratatouille, all of us have loved the Ice Ages and all of that. And I think that's the other thing which counts here. Motu Patlu is not a character that only my daughters know. I also know about them. So there is a familiarity. I think that's what worked for Jungle Book as well. We all knew Sher Khan, we all knew the characters there. And I think having that first connect and pitching your film, which is not only on kids but also to the entire family and to the adults, I think makes the other big difference, which has been attempted here as well.
And so, what kind of release are you planning for this film, and how are you planning to market this film over a period of month?
So it's been mounted at a very large scale. Of course, Ajit will talk to you about the screens and all of that. But from a marketing perspective, I can tell you what we have in our own network is fabulous. So the network of Viacom 18 is actually going to come into play big time, right from our own Nickelodeon franchise, which has many channels, right from Nick to Sonic to Nick Jr. to Teen Nick to Nick HD now. And of course, if you add all the colors, regionals, which is Marathi, Gujarati, you add colors to it, which is Hindi, you will see a whole lot of promotion on all our network channels, all our digital assets, including Voot, our websites. Outside of that, you will see a whole lot of print, you'll see a whole lot of outdoor, mall activations, you'll see blimps, you will see. So the plan is enormous. I think we're making sure that we get the last mile right. If this is the fabulous product we have, let's not give up hope. And we're going all out on making sure that there's enough awareness of this particular movie on our channels, on our network, and outside the network as well.
Hi, in that case, would you...
Yeah, so in addition to what Nina talked about, look at the release date also. One of the challenges of releasing an animation film in India is that it has normally got to contest with the, the big films and the standard Bollywood fare. Now, 14th October actually allows you to get into what we typically call the pre-Diwali period, when some of the traditional films actually, they step back. you know. And then you get into a period where the schools also are going to shut, and therefore you will have a lot of audience in the theaters. We are looking at distributing it pretty wide, upwards of 700 odd screens, and therefore, you know, the characters will be accessible pretty much everywhere. So it's a fairly wide, you know, release, positioned at a time where it will be easy to consume, and the show timings also will be so that the whole family can go and enjoy the experience.
Also, in that case, you just mentioned that you would be promoting this movie on various channels of Colors and Nickelodeon. In that case, would you also be promoting it on Big Boss, considering it would be one of its kind?
Big Boss hasn't yet launched there, but I'm
would
sure
be
it'll be there on Jhalak for sure.
Okay. I esteemed members of
Ketan,
the
my
media.
question is to Ketan, my question is to you. You just mentioned that animation is still not succeeded in India. Where do you think are we lacking? And secondly, what are the business opportunities that you see?
As I had mentioned earlier, animation is still in its infancy in this country. I mean, it's 15 years old, really speaking. While in Hollywood, it's a 80-year-old tradition, you know. So we had a long way to go. We have covered that distance very, very in a very short span of time. And now a whole generation of children are growing up on animation. And they are forcing their parents to go along with them to see the films as well. So I see this film really reaching out to the farthest corner of this country.
I esteemed members of the media, due to lights, if you would be just kind enough to stand up when you're asking a question, so everybody on the stage could identify you. Thank you.
Nina, hi. Are there any brands which have got associated with the movie so far?
So we are working on that. As you see, my sales head is not here today. She's out there. We still have 6 weeks to go. So definitely there'll be brands associated with it. For sure.
सुशांत, मेरा सवाल आपसे है, आपके लेफ्ट में. बस आप हाँ सुन लीजिए. सवाल ये है कि आपकी क्या यादें जुड़ी हुई हैं बचपन की, और किस तरीके से आप मोटू पतलू को देखते हैं, और आपका फेवरेट इन दोनों में कौन था?
हाँ, ये बड़ा कठिन सवाल पूछा आपने. मैं झूठ नहीं बोलूँगा, मैं इनके बारे में जानता हूँ और पिछले 2-3 साल 4 साल से मैं काफ़ी अपने काम में बिजी था, लेकिन फिर भी अगर मैं इनको जानता हूँ तो आप अंदाज़ा लगा सकते हैं कि इनकी पॉपुलैरिटी कितनी है. बचपन से मैंने बहुत सारे कॉमिक्स पढ़े हैं, जैसा मैंने बोला, और मुझे लगता है कि अपार्ट फ्रॉम दीज 3 फंडामेंटल्स दैट यू मेंशन मैम, मुझे लगता है वी नीड टू बी वेरी वेरी केयरफुल एंड वेरी इंटेलिजेंट व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग टू किड्स. हम ये सोचते हैं कि यार हम बच्चों की फिल्म बना रहे हैं, लेकिन तो कुछ भी फ्रिवलेस स्टफ हो सकता है, बट वी शुड नॉट टेक द इंटेलिजेंस एंड आवर रेलेवेंस फॉर ग्रांटेड. एंड द फिल्म्स लाइक दिस, लाइक राइट नाउ आई वांट टू वॉच दिस फिल्म, and fortunately we'll have to wait till 14th of October. और मोटू पतलू का क्या बताओ, it's amazing how I look like मोटू and पतलू depending on what I eat, but but I just love them, yeah.
एंड आपकी भी फिल्म बहुत जल्द आने वाली है, तो उसकी क्या तैयारियां, किस तरीके से उसके प्रमोशंस चल रहे हैं अभी?
प्रमोशंस अभी शुरू हुए हैं, तो मैं आज से शुरू कर रहा हूँ, तो पहले से आपसे ही बात कर रहा हूँ. ये भी जैसे मोटू पतलू है, वैसे ही MS धोनी भी बच्चों में बहुत ही पॉपुलर है. मैं इस फिल्म के ज़रिए हम लोग ये हर बच्चों को बताना चाहते हैं, इस देश के इस हर एक सिटी से, कि चाहे आप अंडर प्रिविलेज्ड हों, चाहे आप किसी भी जगह हों, अगर आप में सपने देखने का जज्बा है तो फिर मुमकिन है, फिर हो जाएगा.
मिस्टर अंधारे, ये सवाल आपसे है कि एक तरफ मोटू पतलू आ रहे हैं, दूसरी तरफ दीपिका प्रियंका भी आपके स्टूडियोज़ की तरफ से आने वाली हैं, तो किस तरीके के प्लान्स हैं और कौन कौन सी फिल्में अगर आप शेयर करना चाहें?
तो जैसे मैंने बताया, स्टूडियो के लिए जितना डाइवर्सिफाइड स्लेट हो उतना अच्छा है. तो यू नो कई फिल्में हैं जो हमने बनाई जिनको लोगों ने विमेन ओरिएंटेड लेबल दिया, तो अब शायद चिल्ड्रन ओरिएंटेड स्टूडियो हो जाएगा. तो इस सिलसिला जारी रहेगा, लेकिन इम्पॉर्टेंट ये है कि एक डाइवर्सिफाइड स्लेट हो. सिनेमा में सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है कुछ नया करना. और अगर आप देखें जो हम लोग हॉलीवुड के साथ कर रहे हैं, हॉलीवुड का लोकलाइजेशन अगर हम करते हैं तो जंगल बुक में हम सब ने देखा है कि उसका रिजल्ट कुछ और ही होता है. तो जब बेवॉच या XXX रिटर्न ऑफ ज़ैंडर केज, ये जो 2 बड़े टाइटल्स हम लेकर आ रहे हैं, इनमें जब दीपिका और प्रियंका हैं तो उसमें फिर एक अलग ही लोकल कनेक्ट आ जाता है, और हम इसको एक हॉलीवुड फिल्म की तरह ना देखकर एक फिल्म जो ऑलमोस्ट अपनी फिल्म है उस तरह से देखते हैं, तो उसका एक अलग ही रिस्पॉन्स आना चाहिए. सो उससे हमें बहुत उम्मीदें हैं. उसके अलावा ऑफ कोर्स हम लोग एक सीक्वल फोर्स 2 लेके आ रहे हैं, और रंगून जो हमने विशाल और साजिद के साथ बनाई है वो भी एक बड़ी खूबसूरत फिल्म है. तो इस तरह से आप देखेंगे कि बहुत ही डाइवर्स अलग अलग सब्जेक्ट्स और एक नई सोच और कुछ अलग करने की जो सेंट्रल थॉट है वो इन सब प्रोजेक्ट्स में आपको नजर आएगी.
यहाँ पर दिस इज रवि. जानना चाहूँगा कि जब ऐसी फिल्में बनती हैं बच्चों के लिए खास कर, तो ऐसा प्लान किया जाता है कि समर में रिलीज़ की जाए, उन्हें बच्चों को टारगेट किया जाए, जैसे कि जंगल बुक भी समर में रिलीज़ हुई थी अप्रैल में. तो क्या लगता है आप लोगों को, क्या लगता है कि वो ज़्यादा मुफीद डेट नहीं होती आप लोगों के लिए ये फिल्म रिलीज़ करने के लिए, क्योंकि छुट्टियाँ होती है स्कूल की तो बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिलता है?
इसीलिए जैसे अजीत सर ने बताया कि ये वक्त भी छुट्टियों का ही है, बिकॉज दशहरा से लेके दिवाली तक स्कूल की छुट्टियां रहेंगी, तो वही हिसाब से हमने फिल्म लॉन्च की है कि दिवाली की छुट्टियों में. सो नॉर्मली इवन फ्रॉम अ चैनल एंड टेलीविजन perspective there are 3 vacations that are very important, whether it's summer, whether it's Diwali and their Christmas, and all 3 vacations are equally important, and therefore if it's not summer then it's Diwali. And to be honest, I was impatient, the movie was ready, we had to launch it.
सुशांत आपसे सवाल है. ये बहुत यूनिक आइडिया है क्रॉस प्रमोशन का, कि एक फिल्म को दूसरी फिल्म के प्रमोशन में के दौरान प्रमोट किया जाए. आप धोनी प्रमोट करने आए हैं, फिल्म की डेट नज़दीक आ रही है, रिलीज़ की डेट नज़दीक आ रही है, किस तरह के कॉम्प्लीमेंट आपको मिल रहे हैं धोनी प्ले करने के बाद पर्दे पर?
जनरली जब मैंने हाँ करी और मैं प्रिपेयर कर रहा था और जब शूट कर रहा था, तो ज़्यादा मैं ये सोच नहीं रहा था कि ऑडियंस इसके बारे में क्या सोचेगी. लेकिन एक मेरे जहन में एक बात थी कि क्योंकि MS अभी खेल रहे हैं तो बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग विजुअल रेफरेंस है उनका, तो वो किस तरीके से चलते हैं, किस तरीके से वो ग्लव्स ऐसे करते हैं, बहुत सारी ऐसी छोटी छोटी बारीकियाँ हैं जो सही करनी थी मुझे. तो मुझे बस ये लग रहा था कि लोग मुझे बस समझ लें कि हाँ मैं MS हूँ, क्योंकि हमारे पास इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग विजुअल रेफरेंस है MS का. तो ये एक मेरे जहन में बात थी. लेकिन ट्रेलर में आई थिंक 3 मिनट के ट्रेलर में जिस तरीके का रिस्पॉन्स मिला है, अगर हम 3 मिनट में ये कन्विंस कर सकते हैं तो फिर 3 घंटे में तो अच्छा ही लगेगा.
Sudhanshu sir, this question is for you. How will you use the strength of the network to market the movie?
So Nina spoke about that actually, and so therefore, you are already seeing that Viacom 18 Motion Pictures and Nickelodeon are joining hands. So that is the beginning of our sort of, very clear and tangible sign of synergy and the network coming together. But we'll also be using across our channels and TV channels very extensive promotions. Nina spoke about that, about all the channels. We'll be using digital as well. We are now forced to reckon with in digital through Voot. And that's a journey which has begun very well. And I think we will use that as well to reach out to children and to send this message out. So it will be a all 360-degree or all-round effort from our end to deliver this.
फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच खत्म होती जा रही है? नहीं, हम तो बोल ही रहे हैं, वो काट रहे हैं. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है सेंसरशिप करने का जो फंडामेंटल उसका जो है वो ये होना चाहिए कि हम बताएं कि यार आप देख सकते हैं, आप थोड़े सालों बाद देख लीजिएगा, बट टू एक्चुअली टेक आउट समथिंग फ्रॉम द फिल्म, क्योंकि एक कोई इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ अगर आप फिल्म से निकालते हैं तो उसका रिपल इफेक्ट पूरी फिल्म पे पड़ता है, और उसको आपको फिर से नए सिरे से लिखना पड़ेगा. लेकिन अंत में जब आपकी फिल्म रिलीज हो रही होती है और इस तरीके से किया जाता है तो वो एक आर्टिस्ट के लिए, एक क्रिएटिव पर्सन के लिए बड़ा ही अजीब सा लगता है. तो दिस इज माई व्यू.
Members of the media, last 2 questions.
Yeah, my question is for Mr. Sudhanshu Vats. This is Anirban from AFX. You mentioned about merchandising revenue, and we saw animation movies doing very good in merchandising when it comes to Hollywood. So what would be your plan to boost the merchandising revenue in India? Because merchandising has not done good in India so far.
So merchandising actually, so there are 2 ways to look at it. One way is to say that merchandise is not done well in India, but the other way is to look at it that merchandise is indeed growing very rapidly in India. So I think if you look at growths in licensing and merchandising business, they are very rapid. You are more than doubling year on year, although on a very small base at the moment. But I think these things are linked. So I think it's also upon the the incomes and the consuming power of Indian audience and so on and so forth. But any film which comes out like this will deliver fantastically well on merchandising also. If you look at our merchandising business, it's got kids, it's got youth, and we also do merchandising for we are the licensing and merchandising agent for FCB in India, as you may know, and for some other kids characters which are not owned by us, programs or characters like Peppa Pig, Peanuts, Winx, I think. So some of these we do. But Motu Patlu is a very popular character. The merchandising on Motu Patlu particularly is growing. And I'm very confident with this that the growth on Motu Patlu will be extremely strong after this as well. Because this is a bit of a ripple effect. But let me tell you, licensing and merchandising in India is growing very rapidly. And it's going to sort of, you know, it'll tip in a couple of years. It's sort of difficult to estimate which year it will be. But it'll be really substantial. And e-commerce has given it a lot of boost. So one of the fundamental issues with licensing and merchandising in India was go-to-market, to be able to reach the consumer because of our traditional market which was there, you know, small stores and all that. So how do you reach out to them? And it was not very good, and the wholesale system was not working that well. With e-commerce coming into play, I think that is going to help, is helping already in a big way. So I think that's what is happening.
Sushant,
In fact, just to add to that, in fact, I would imagine that the merchandising business here is going to grow and tremendously, because there's a core insight to that. The insight being that when kids are watching Motu Patlu, for example, they are into Furfuri Nagar, having fun with them. But for them, it's a sheer delight when the characters come out of Furfuri Nagar into their homes, into their lives. And therefore, they like to eat with them, sleep with them, go out with them, play with them, engage with them. And therefore, this whole merchandising business pegs on this fact that the character is with me in my life and I'm playing with them, engaging with them. And therefore, it's really going to be on an incline. And like Sudhanshu said, we are now available in apparels, in product categories, in back to school, in bath and linen, in DIYs, in puzzles, in ride-ons, and not just from Hypercity to Big Bazaar, but even on Amazon and Flipkart. So all of this will give us a big push from a merchandising perspective as well.
सुशांत, इसकी टैगलाइन है यारों की यारी एक्शन सफारी. तो आप यारों के कितने यार हैं और आपके यार कौन हैं?
मेरे बहुत कम फ्रेंड्स हैं, लेकिन वो बहुत सालों से उनको भी फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता कि मैं अपनी लाइफ में कहाँ पे हूँ, और मुझे भी फ़र्क नहीं, मैं अपने आप को बिल्कुल सीरियसली नहीं लेता, उनको बहुत लेता हूँ. तो आई थिंक ये बहुत ही ज़रूरी होता है कि आप दूसरे के साथ रहना चाहते हैं विदाउट इवन थिंकिंग, एक्सपेक्टिंग एनीथिंग आउट ऑफ इट. तो मैं हूँ, लेकिन बहुत सारे यार नहीं है, थोड़े लेकिन अच्छे.
ओके, एट द सेम टाइम यहाँ पे मैं जानना चाहूँगी, इधर सुशांत, जस्ट यहाँ पे मैं जानना चाहूँगी, जैसे कि इन्होंने कहा मोटू पतलू से दो जनरेशन सर्टनली जैसे बोलते हैं कि समझ पाएगी, जुड़ पाएगी. आपकी फिल्म जब MS धोनी की बात करती हूँ तो ये वो जनरेशन है जो आपको देख रही है, लेकिन चैलेंजेस भी आपके लिए वो रोल प्ले करने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा रहे होंगे, इसलिए क्योंकि वो शख्स ऑलरेडी प्ले कर रहा है. सो जब ऐसे रियल लाइफ शख्स जो सामने खेल रहा हो, नाम कमा रहा हो, उसको प्ले करना कितना टफ था आपके लिए?
टफ इस वजह से नहीं होता कि हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि लोग क्या कहेंगे, क्योंकि मैं जब तक फिल्म रिलीज़ के कुछ 2-3 हफ्ते पहले से सोचने लगता हूँ कि लोग क्या कहेंगे, जैसे अभी मैं सोच रहा हूँ. लेकिन तब तक मैं नहीं सोचता, तब तक मैं बहुत ही सेल्फिश एक्टर हूँ, मैं सिर्फ अपने लिए करता हूँ. मैं एक्साइटमेंट देखता हूँ. मैं बहुत बड़ा फ़ैन हूँ. 2004 में मैं कितने उनको स्टॉक करके उनके साथ फ़ोटो खिंचवाई थी मैंने. तो मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस to understand. Sorry, what was your question? So exactly. So it was not tough vis-a-vis that. It was tough because the most important thing we actors are supposed to do is to convince ourselves that we are the characters. And since I had such a strong visual reference of Dhoni, so it was a very difficult task for me. So it was a complete immersion. So that when I was shooting on the first day, I was not pretending to be Dhoni, I was Dhoni. 11 महीने. जैसे मैंने बोला कि क्योंकि हमें आउटपुट पता है कि इस तरीके का होना चाहिए, तो ये बहुत ही स्ट्रेंज मिक्स है, क्योंकि जो एक्टर एक प्रोसेस करता है अपने आप को कैरेक्टर बिल्ड करने के लिए, अपने आप को कन्विंस करने के लिए, वो बहुत ही ऑर्गेनिक होता है. लेकिन साथ में क्योंकि विजुअल रेफरेंस है तो एक सर्टेन लेवल ऑफ इमिटेशन भी है. तो इन दोनों का जो एमैलगमेशन है उससे ये कैरेक्टर निकालना था जो मैंने पहले कभी नहीं किया था. लेकिन जब आप कोई ऐसा काम करते हैं जो आप पहले नहीं करते तो आप बहुत एक्साइटेड होते हैं, और मैं एक्साइटमेंट के लिए काम करता हूँ. पहले दिन जिस दिन मैं ट्राई कर रहा था उसी दिन आई थिंक किरण मोरे सर मुझे ट्रेन कर रहे थे. पहले दिन ही आखिर में कुछ मैं लगाने लगा था, और हमारे पास एनालिस्ट थे जिन्होंने फ्रेम वाइज MS के सारे शॉट्स मुझे दिए थे कि कब कैसे वेट ट्रांसफ़र होता है. तो पहले दिन ही हो गया था, लेकिन the thing was when I went back, I realized that I had a pain and मुझे floating rib में hairline fracture हो गया था, because you have to stop the momentum, you have to go back, your body is not used to it. तो 2 हफ्ते की छुट्टी मिली, लेकिन हाँ अभी हेलीकॉप्टर अच्छे से उड़ता है.
Members of the media, last question, please.
So my question is for Mr. Ketan and Mr. Sudhanshu. If you can talk about the storyline which you chose for the movie, because it's a storyline which many people have already tested out. So how different is this story?
I think you should wait and see the film and take the decision for yourself. But primarily, I think animals, jungle, freedom, inspiration are elements that are universal. And still, it has to be completely Indian, completely native, completely indigenous. That was the challenge. That's the challenge that they have been actually playing with for the last 4 years, this entire team, and succeeding rather well. But to actually explode it onto a large screen was also a big challenge. But kids love animals. I hope they love this film too.
Thank you, members of the media. May I request your company on stage for a bit longer, as we have the awesome twosome Motu Patlu joining us for a photo opportunity.